Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm quickly show you how we worked on this computer. The previous video I was opening it, struggling on the screws where they are, so I've managed to fix it. So what I've done, I've removed the hard disk. It is an SSD drive, it is inside. So if I come, let me put my tripod here and I show you what's happening. So we have our laptop here. It was opened and we have the screws here and here because they use the sticker to protect it. We also have some other screws here, so you have to put it back gently, plus here also. The distance coming longer as I try to speak. So after here, you had to remove the cover. It is back, and I'll show you the other video how I removed it. So when you power on the laptop, it's power on and see. Okay, it's coming on there. So after here, so the solution was to switch off like everything, remove the battery, remove the RAM, remove the SSD card, and that was the only issue. So I'm going to go ahead and screw back the laptop, then we shall continue with the other process. And it's only remaining to log in the password. Yeah, this is an HP. I don't think it is an Envy, it's an HP. I'll show you later. So thanks for watching. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to switch it off, then put back the screws. Yeah, I've managed to fix the laptop in just one day. Not one day, minutes. So the guy locked the door. We pause. Okay, let's continue. So we are putting back the screws the way they were, plus also the screws we are searching for them because this laptop was wrapped. Okay, it has gone off totally, so I can do yes, that's it. I think okay. Oh, there for this side. I'm getting tired. But these things, the screws, will always be fitting or not fitting. Then you'll be asking, where does this one go? So I make sure I turn all of them without any error. I have 4 main.
Everywhere. Okay, I'm okay. Are you at school or where you work? Me too, I'm still here. Yeah, I told you I came had to fix my laptop. Yeah, I'm here near the renovation lab. Yeah. You're done with class over in the lab. Okay. Which one? I think I'm gonna pass my bit. Lala, it's already late. I don't want to go anywhere. Okay, alright. I'll pass by the library. Okay, I'll find you. Okay.
So we are finalizing the process. The maze. Baba. Kali mukukusako busa. So Alex is your savior. Just know if you didn't call me, I wouldn't have come. Yeah.
I kept asking you, like,
No, for me, I come like a visitor.
in the evening time.
I'm a visitor, but not a visitor, but I belong here. I just have to. That's why I told you last time you should come and check on me so that I can first open. So the user put in the password. It's done. It's done. So we are done, and this is how it's saying go. But I mean, so I said got off within very many months or 2 months.
Like 2 months, I guess. But even it's been 3 months. Why is this place like this?
Okay, no, it's not first click it. Sorry about that. Personalize.
That Galiwango beauty. Yeah, I know. That is beautiful. Oh my god, that girl is my inspiration. I wanna be like her. She's perfect. I don't know, I've never seen a woman like that. I love her.
So you have a Windows, the Microsoft account on this? You have to sign in. There's that thing that comes in BitLocker. Yeah, it was. I almost lost my work. BitLocker. I think I'm now done. I wanted to put for you some those icons here, but your window is not activated somewhere.
Could come again and activate the windows.
Hmm?
Yes?
Like this piece, it's almost like here. It's not organized the way it has to be.
Maybe around tomorrow I could update and activate windows.
Tomorrow I'm going in some place. I'll be, but I'll be around because those guys, they just stress me. I want to be, so I'm handing over. But this video, it wasn't so successful. It was something I'm trying out.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Welcome. So, see you with very many other clients. No, just switch off.